All right, so we're looking here at NNDM this morning. A little bit of pre-market resistance there, kind of double top area, 260s. So pull back down there to the 220s. You can see the 5-minute chart is kind of ramping back up, getting above the EMAs, getting back above the VWAP there. So I'm going to be looking here at open to see kind of what we get going on. So we get a little washout here. So looking for pushing 250s. Put an order out there, 251. See if I can get filled there for that push above 260s. Playing with tight stop there. 240 stop area, 235. It's trying, it's pushing there. 250 holding. Looking for this to push here. 260. Come on, baby. Big seller there at 260. We're eating through it. And 263. Oh, I got 265. Saw the bid 265, was taking it there. That's kind of a pain. There it is, up to 270 now. So 270 was my target. Ended up making $180 there. Gosh. Baby Jesus. That was my move right there. 270. There it is. 270. Ay, 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 papi. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 papi. It's crazy sometimes. Honestly, it's crazy because I don't know why I took profit there. I honestly don't know why I took the profit there. I was pushing, had strength. Look at the volume increasing. Just trying to play it safe this morning. It's Monday morning. I got a big day ahead of me. I got a lot of things to do today. I'm leaving for 280 now. I'm leaving for California. I'm leaving for California on Wednesday. So I got to handle a bunch of stuff this week. Get packed up. I got to go filming. Get all that stuff ready. It's not really an excuse to why I took profit early, but I think, this morning I really was like, okay, let's just get a nice little win. Look at a little winner there. Maybe we'll just kind of see what happens. There it is, up to 288 now. Look at that. Beautiful. NNDM. So, I took profit early. Nothing wrong with that. But at the same time, look at it there. Up there to 290 now. I really thought this was probably going to push. And you can see that 290 resistance there on the 5-minute chart. Previous resistance. So, let's see if this thing pushes above 290. Might get that push up there to the $3 area. So I just needed to give it a little bit more time there. Just needed to give it a little bit more time. It's a nice 30-cent move from the 250s up there to 285. I was thinking about really kind of buying here pre-market when this broke back above the VWAP there at the 241 area. Just didn't pull the trigger. So just a little bit of hesitation, a little bit of taking profit early this morning. Yeah, kind of is what it is. And locking some profit in. It's funny because it really just kind of, not that it takes the wind out of your sails, but it does something. It definitely does something when you do take profit early like this. Honestly, I thought I was going to get filled there at 265. I saw the bid 265. I got filled at 263. And it was... Excuses. I'm not trying to make excuses. I literally don't want to make excuses right now. I literally hate to make excuses. This is literally just me, just taking profit early. Getting too quick there. Too quick to the trigger. Like I said, it's Monday morning. Just kind of wanting to start the week here strong. And it looks like NNDM is going to push all the way up there to $3 now. So there she goes. Let's see if it'll a little bit of a pullback here. Getting stopped out there right at 298. See if you get more of a pullback down there, 290s. Or if this is going to just go all the way here. Jumping in there for the $3 break. A little early, wasn't I? See, just going to push above $2 here. $3. Come on, $3 break. Jumping out there. That was terrible. Jumping here at 288. Let's a little bit more size. See if we can push up there to $3. Big seller there at 288 now. Big old massive seller. Hold it down. I'm going to see if we can't find some support there. Oh, nope. Bouncing down now. I think this 280 area holds. 275, we should be good. 375 getting sold into hard there. I'm going to jump out for now. Ugh. So it went from being up $180 to now down $124. Really getting into my head there. I'm off it right now. I just feel I'm off it. Now 275 is holding. Big old massive seller was at 288. 288, big seller there sitting there. 288, let's see if it's going to crack 288 here and push. So looking like we're going to crack through 288 here. Look at that seller getting sold. Look if it's a push above 3 here. That 288 seller again. Jumping out there. Wow. Jumping there at 283. It looks like this thing's flagging here. 280 area. See if you can hold here. Push. 280 holding there. Come on, 280. Push. 280 getting sold into there. Jumping out of it. There's the breakdown. So, whew. Jumped out right at a good time there. Little flag there. Looking like we had a nice little flag. Was hoping to break to the upside there. Once he broke below 280, it jumped out. All right, so I'm done. I'm down to there. I'm walking away now. This is terrible trading. I'm really bad. This is frustrating. So I'm down $530 there on NMD. Basically, what happened today is I just got into my own head, I think, really, and then this is terrible. Terrible on every level. I had this first push here and then missed out on this big move up there to 3. And then really, not really any excuse there. Just, bull trap on this, pushing up there, looking like it wants to explode. A little bit of a pullback and then boom. The shorts piling in there and getting stuck in that drop. Just not being able to get out fast enough. And just not doing what we needed to do today. I thought we were going to break over $3. It looked like it was going to push. It looked like it wanted to explode over 3 there on that push. Big seller stepped in there at 3. They held it down. And then, really just kind of buying in this area was nothing but buying the chop. I mean, maybe buying the 275, that support area there. But again, buying here, bad. Buying here, bad. Basically, everywhere I bought except for this was bad. Bad. What's funny is it's literally just, you can watch this video, but you can literally just see the progression of FOMO today, really. After missing out on this move there from the 250, after, taking profit there early, I think you can really just, if you watch this video, you can probably see the emotion start to jump in there and, the FOMO. So what was I thinking? What was I thinking there? Really, a lot of times these things, I think my big issue was taking profit way too early on this push. And then that just kind of snowballed into like, oh, FOMO. And then I started talking to myself. So now I'm talking to myself about what I did wrong and, kind of talking about it. And then it was like, oh, now it's going higher. Let me jump in here for that $3 break. And you can kind of just see the issues here. You can literally see how bad, how bad I traded this. And just the FOMO, the overall, just trying to force the trades and all that. And then I guess it's really what it comes down to. It's just letting my emotions get to me. And that's basically what happened. Basically what happened there. So it is what it is. I'm going to walk away down $500 on the day. And like I said, I got to leave. Like I said, I'm not going to be trading all week. I'm going to be heading out to California on Wednesday. So I'm not going to have a full week to really, to go hard here in the paint and just walk away. And now you can see how really the FOMO just kicked in there. I think this is going to be a great video just to see how, in the morning, had a good plan. It all was working, took profit way too early. And then the FOMO. It was like, boom, I got FOMO. Trying to get that $3 break, which was just totally terrible. If anything, really should have been that break over 3, waited for a little bit of pullback, and then jumped in. Really waited for that confirmation over that whole dollar. And instead, I was trying to be, I could jump in here. I could jump in here right at 3, get that push, 310, boom. We can get out, make $200, and kind of just walk away there. And that was, in theory, sometimes it works. Sometimes it works. Sometimes you get these crazy stocks that'll run up $2 or $3 there at open, and it just goes to the moon. And then other times you get this happen. This pullback. If I would have waited for that $3 denial and then waited for a solid pullback, got some support, that would have been, the way to play this. And emotions. So there it is. The FOMO just getting me. The FOMO. FOMO is real, baby. It's real, and that's why I show you guys these live trades. That's why I show you kind of the emotions, really, just the battle that it is.